this is Kevin, and I am a strategist at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Documents module within the Sitefinity CMS, specifically how to replace an existing document. Now, this would be useful if you made changes to a document that you have available on your site. It could be some fixed typos, or you've added content to the document, and you'd want to upload the new document over top of the existing, so that the new file is available everywhere the old one was. And you can redo this by placing the original instead of finding every instance of that link and editing each one individually. So to start, I'm just showing you this sample case study on my demo site, and in particular this related document.docx. And I'm going to download that document and show it to you quickly. It's a very simple Word file, just a couple sentences, document manager, and test file. But I have a new version, and I'm going to replace this file today. Now I'll just quickly show you the new file, which is very simple as well. Just one additional sentence here, additional content added, so need to replace file site-wide. Now I'll close that. And now we'll go back into Sitefinity, and from the dashboard, to replace that file, we're going to go to the Content menu and then Documents and Files. Here we see all the different document libraries available on our CMS, and I know that that file is in one of them. I'm not sure which one, but I don't have to look. I can search for Document Manager in this top search bar here, and that'll bring up just files matching that name. Now I know it was the Word file that I want to replace, so to replace this file, we're going to click on it to open it in editor mode. From here, just below the file icon, you'll see a gear widget, and that would be the document settings. And we're going to click on that, and then you'll see an option here to replace file pops up. So we're going to click on that, and that'll take us to a select document screen. Now, my new file isn't currently on my Sitefinity, so I'm going to want to upload it. And the upload icon is located next to the search bar. So we're going to click on that, and now we have to find the file on our computer, and I know it's this file right here that I just modified. So we select the file and then click Open, and that brings us back to the document property screen. Now here we have the option to change the file title, change what library it's being stored in, and we can also add some details. But for the sake of this demo, we are just going to upload the new file. So I'm going to hit Publish, and now I'm going to go back to my live demo site. I'm going to refresh this case study page. And now I'm going to click on the file again to show you that I have now downloaded my new updated file. There you go. You can see the additional line. And this is how we replace a document in the Sitefinity CMS.